Welcome back to Vox AI News. I'm Alice, and joining me today is John. How are you doing today, John?
I'm doing great, Alice. Excited to dive into today's topic, which is all about SAP S/4HANA. It's such a comprehensive system.
Absolutely. To kick things off, could you give our listeners an overview of what SAP S/4HANA actually is?
Sure, SAP S/4HANA is an enterprise resource planning suite designed to help organizations manage their business processes in real time, leveraging the power of the SAP HANA in-memory database.
That sounds impressive. What are some of the key functions and features of S/4HANA that stand out?
Some notable features include its in-memory data processing, a simplified data model, the user-friendly SAP Fiori interface, and advanced capabilities like predictive analytics and machine learning.
Speaking of the user interface, could you explain what SAP Fiori is and how it enhances the user experience?
SAP Fiori is a design approach that provides a modern, responsive user experience across all devices. It focuses on user roles, ensuring that the right information is accessible to the right users.
That makes sense. Now let's talk about the architecture of S/4HANA. What are its main components?
The architecture is built on a service-oriented model. It has an application layer for business logic, a database layer based on SAP HANA, and an integration layer for connecting various applications.
And how does the in-memory computing aspect work with SAP HANA?
In-memory computing allows data to be processed in RAM instead of on traditional disk storage, which significantly speeds up data retrieval and analysis.
What about data migration? How can organizations transition their data to S/4HANA?
Data migration can be done using automated tools like the SAP Data Migration Cockpit, which helps streamline the process and ensures data integrity during the transfer.
What are some common challenges organizations face during data migration?
Challenges often include data quality issues, mapping legacy data to the new model, and ensuring minimal downtime during the migration process.
Once the data is migrated, how do users access and operate S/4HANA?
Users typically access S/4HANA through the SAP Fiori Launchpad, where they can find all relevant applications and tools tailored to their roles.
What are some best practices for configuring S/4HANA to meet specific business needs?
Best practices include thorough requirement analysis, leveraging pre-configured options for faster deployment, and customizing business processes to align with organizational goals.
Can you elaborate on the security measures that S/4HANA has in place?
S/4HANA offers robust security features, including user access control, data encryption, compliance with regulations like GDPR, and regular security audits.
How does S/4HANA support compliance with data protection regulations?
It provides tools for data privacy management, audit trails, and reporting capabilities to help organizations comply with various regulations.
What about the maintenance and support of S/4HANA? How should organizations approach this?
Organizations should establish a dedicated support team, regularly monitor system performance, and stay updated with patches and upgrades to ensure optimal functionality.
Can you explain the upgrade process for S/4HANA? What steps are involved?
The upgrade process involves planning, testing, and executing the upgrade, which includes migrating data, validating applications, and ensuring system compatibility.
What tools can organizations use for analyzing and reporting data in S/4HANA?
Tools like SAP Lumira and SAP Analytics Cloud are popular for data visualization, reporting, and advanced analytics capabilities.
How does SAP Analytics Cloud enhance data collaboration among teams?
It allows multiple users to access and edit reports simultaneously, facilitating real-time collaboration and communication through commenting features.
What programming languages are commonly used for developing applications in S/4HANA?
SAP ABAP is predominantly used for custom reports and applications, while JavaScript is used for developing extensions in SAP HANA XS Advanced.
Could you provide an example of a simple custom report written in ABAP?
Certainly. A simple ABAP program could select data from the Mara table and display it using an ALV grid.
What about transaction codes? How can they be customized in S/4HANA?
Custom transaction codes can be created using ABAP to meet specific business needs, allowing users to access tailored functionalities.
Can you give an example of a data migration program in ABAP?
Sure. An ABAP program can be written to select data from an old system and insert it into the S/4HANA database.
What are some common extensions organizations might implement in S/4HANA?
Extensions can include custom applications for specific business processes, enhanced reporting tools, or integrations with third-party services.
How does the SAP API Management Center play a role in S/4HANA integration?
It allows organizations to manage and monitor APIs effectively, facilitating integration with other applications and services.
In summary, what are the key takeaways about implementing and using S/4HANA?
Key takeaways include understanding its architecture, leveraging its features for business efficiency, ensuring data security, and utilizing tools for analytics and reporting.
Thank you, John. This has been a comprehensive discussion on SAP S/4HANA. Any final thoughts?
Just that organizations should approach S/4HANA with a clear strategy and be ready for a transformative journey.
Thanks for joining us today. Stay curious and stay informed. We'll catch you on the next episode of Vox AI News.